mga selfie stick.
Whoa. So are you ready?
Ready!
And are you excited? Okay, first up, parents.
For hundreds of years, birds have captivated the human imagination. They have inspired us to take to the skies in the form of planes, gliders, and microwaves. With grace and often with vibrant colour, birds are nature's masterpieces, inhabiting almost every corner of our planet Earth. From the Arctic to the warmest of rainforests, almost 10,000 species of birds.
Hello to each and every one of you. I'm talking about the stars of the show. Everybody, clap your hands to the music. Come on, let's welcome them. Not forgetting also to welcome our host. His name is ID.
Alright everybody, hello, salam alaikum and привет. My name is Sid, you are?
I'm Cassie Spell.
The golden chicken from America. That is the second largest parrot all the way from South Australia.
But of course, not forgetting also to welcome the fourth largest parrot.
Come on up boy, let's do it together raising the UAE flag. Because we are celebrating the 40th National Day.
That's right, so keep going. Clap your hands to everyone.
Sapuyo! Davai!
One more.
Yes, salam! What a great start by raising the UAE flag. Now friends, celebration is all about to the start. We have the National Day, we have Christmas, we have... That's the African grey parrot and the hawkhead. All both are from South Africa.
So everybody clap your hands to the rhythm. Come on. Wow, look at this move. The move of Michael Jackson.
Hey, how you know Michael Jackson?
Here's my cousin.
Oh.
What a move.
Gymnastic, huh?
Okay, hold on. Kids, guys, what can you say about their dancing? Are they dance?
See, they like it, bro. They like it.
You better stop dancing because they are
Really good. Now, I told you back in school days, I was the best dancer. Which school I remember, tomorrow morning we have 8 o'clock, bro. Let's go play basketball and ring toss.
talking about the African grey parrot because you can shoot like Michael Jordan. And here comes Shaquille O'Neal. And how about Kevin Love? Hey, we start with the ring. My guess is the basketball.
He's gonna do it. He's doing a multitasking, bro.
Yes. Here comes Kevin Love. Love is in the air.
That's right. Everybody clap back for the grey African parrot, the #1 bird parrot in the bird's kingdom. Thank you. Coming up, when you're ready, the toucan.
And there are 42 species of toucans in the world. They are famous in South America, such as Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Suriname, and Brazil.
Okay, now I'm going to teach you today how to be a trainer in the bird's family. Look at me. If you want to be a bird trainer, you always keep your body and your hands straight and strong. Just like this. Come on up, boy. Good job. He's going to fly. He's going to eat the food. After feeding, you close the hand. It's a sign for the bird to fly back. I'm going to call 2 elders. Dawai, come. Okay, they're going to, don't worry, I'm going to call many of you. Come here, ma'am. You have to come this side. There you go. Raise your right hand. Now, to be a bird trainer, step #1, remember, do not eat the bird's food. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, we are ready to fly. Let's go for it, boy.
Toucans love to eat fruits just like us, but also included in their diets are small birds, insects, and some lizards.
I'm going to close your hand. I'm going to try to call members from every corner. Thank you. The girl with the blue jacket, do a little wave, please. Don't block the wave. Yeah, it's okay. A little wave, please. Come down slowly. It's okay. Flashlights off. You're going to raise the right hand. Keep smiling.
You have to play basketball.
Okay, is there any rules?
Yes.
What is the rule?
The one who comes first is the winner.
Oh,
Always.
so I think you're the winner.
Yes, of course.
Come on, my team white. Okay, friends, have a look at them. Tell me, according to you, which one is the boy, which one is the girl? Faster.
White is the girl. White is the
The white is the boy. Baba. Green is the boy. Green is the boy. White is the boy. Green is the boy. Not the boys and the girl. Always remember one simple thing. Boys are always more handsome than the girls.
What? I'm not agreeing with that, bro. You have to ask them.
You don't agree?
No.
Okay, in this room, how many of you are married? Put your hand.
Cockatoos can live longer, especially the black-palmed cockatoo can live up to 100 years of age, while the white cockatoo can live only like 60 to 80 years of age. They really love to eat some fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts, and berries. They are famous in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia, and they live in the big groups. But today, he's using 4 different colors. Am I right, bro?
Yeah.
So, could you please take a look? What do you see on his painting? Do you have an idea?
What do? I think he's trying to make a butterfly.
Wow. Why don't you ask them? Come on.
Okay, friends, I think he's trying to make a butterfly. I want to tell me what's your imagination. What do you see? Anything. Raise your hand up. Huh? He says a bouquet of flowers. Anybody else? Raise your hand up. It can be anything. Yes. What do you see? Huh? A bird. All right. Anybody else? Yes. A flower. They said flower. Something else. Huh? That's my face. Tell everybody, is the fruit salad?
No.
He said no, because it's a butterfly. Butterfly?
No.
How about the bird? Is it a bird? No. Is it a parrot? No. Is this my face? My face it is?
Yeah.
What? My
What to do? Artist knows best, bro.
Okay, it's my face. Okay, we're gonna frame my face and give it to one of. We will call you down to feed one of the birds right now. Only mommy and daddy can raise their hand up if you love to take the painting and the picture after the show. You can still ask us. We're gonna get ready for you. He's gonna walk to her. He's gonna go eat the food. Everybody, clap your hands for the beautiful girl out there. Yes, please switch on the flashlights after feeding.
Jose,
The girl.
come on, bro. Stop helping him.
Middle. I did not. They said in the middle. Yeah.
You know what? He can do it alone. Let's do it one more time. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. This lady, what's your name? Huh? Shanali, you're sitting and doing nothing. Come. Come, I want you to play with the bird. Okay, there you go. It's a no. Okay, come this side, my friend. I hope you got some good pictures, yeah? The magic ball in the middle, I want you to shuffle the cups, alright? Make sure it's not in the middle again. Mix it up. It should not be in the middle. If you want, I don't know.
Keep going. Yes, faster. Be sure that the ball is not in the same place.
Done? Give me a high five. You can take back a seat. Let's see if the bird can find the ball. Blue, let's do it together. Come on, boy.
Let's talk about the real magic. What's this?
Hey! Got it! You know, some say it's really amazing. Kids, remember, playing is important, but with playing, studying is the third largest planet in the world, the golden blue macaw.
Daraja, Hawaii. Yalla dais habibi, yalla ta'ala.
Keep it moving, keep it moving.
There are 16 living species of the macaws in the world, and the largest macaw or the largest parrot is called the hyacinth or the blue macaw.
Ochin Krasiva. Everybody give a big round of applause for the lovely bird. Okay, now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna give you a gloves. He's gonna sit, you're gonna raise your hands up, and everybody's gonna take picture with the largest eagle in the world. Wait. Now I'm gonna show you how the picture looks like with all the way upset to go. Now one of you will lift up the eagle. It's an envelope. When you open it up, mommy and daddy will be holding the largest eagle in the world, and the family will join for the picture. Whoever is going to take picture with the eagle, you will get a gift free. It's a baby macaw. When you press the tail, it will say hi to you like this. If you wish, you can also take picture with the lovely parrots with the lovely macaw family picture. Friends, picture with the macaw will be only a 50 dirhams 50. A picture with the largest eagle, 100 dirham, plus you get a gift to take back home. Giant is going to wait outside for his picture moment. We're going to call him back soon. Giant, thank you. Everybody, now look on the top. Give you some food, sunflower seeds. You're going to put them on your hand, and they're going to fly down to your hand one by one, and they're going to start eating all the food you're going to feed them. They are really adorable. Now remember, the ones who want to listen to me, put your hands down. The one who want to feed the bird will go to trainer Merlin. Merlin is giving food bottle only for a 25 dirham. You can buy one food, share in your family, it's okay. Whoever wants to take picture with the birds, with the eagle, with the parrots will come to me. I'm going to give you a token. My name is Sid.
That's a spell.
Our trainers, give them a big round of applause. Trainer Merlin, Trainer Maria, Ming and Saki. Check all your belongings. Thank you for joining us in the bird show, everybody. Bye-bye.
Masalama. Please don't forget your belongings if you are leaving, alright? Exit slowly. Watch your steps. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take it for driving. We'll be signing out. Goodbye. Masalama.